firstly stop judging yourself before you study, before you actually show your things to a teacher. Stop judging yourself whether you are good or bad. And let the teacher help you with this. You just do your bit, and your bit is hard work. Your bit is study. You study, write answers, show, and then we will tell you what improvement needs to be done. Maybe you are feeling that it is wrong. Maybe it could be right. We don't know. So don't judge yourself in the middle of process. If a person is running and if that person keeps judging himself or herself, कितना चल लिया मैं, कितना चल लिया मैं, है ना? What will happen? Will he be able to run fast? No. If a person who has just got an egg, है ना? And now that person wants to is unsure and is always checking, फूटेगा नहीं फूटेगा, इसमें से चिकन निकलेगा नहीं निकलेगा, अगर वो उसे बजा बजा के देखता रहेगा क्या होगा? उसमें से चिकन निकलेगा? नहीं निकलेगा ना? Yes. So if you are not trusting your process, if you keep yourself, if you keep judging yourself too frequently and without any evidence. So if you haven't done MCQs and you say, I am good at MCQs and I'm bad at MCQs. No point of saying such statements. Useless statement. This statement is useful only when you have given 10 tests and then you bring me a report card. Ma'am, out of these 10 tests, I have done good in these MCQs, maybe polity, economy, but I'm not able to do history MCQs properly. Then you are talking with evidence. Then we can have a small chat and we can solve this problem. So now we have pinpointed where you have problem. Until unless we have pinpointed, sabko paracetamol. है ना? We cannot do that. सबको paracetamol तो नहीं दे सकते, है ना? So let us identify after in the due process where are the areas where we are having problems, and then correct it accordingly. Fine? Done? Okay.